Hello, sir. This is my new dataset, which is about diabetic retinopathy prediction. So, retinopathy is caused by high blood sugar due to diabetes and usually occurs in both eyes. So, here in the trade model, I have here binary columns, gender, age, floaters, blurred vision, fluctuating vision, impaired color vision, empty areas, and vision loss. So these are the symptoms related to diabetic retinopathy. So let's try to run it. So for the prediction example, most symptoms is answered yes, which is one. So the prediction here is with diabetic retinopathy. So let's try to put zero. Let's change it to zero, then rerun. So the prediction for the new data is without diabetic retinopathy. So let's try to run the predict.py. So here, the program um, will ask to type the number if the symptom is visible for the diabetic retinopathy prediction. So let's try to run it. 0 for no and 1 for yes. So here's the instruction. So enter the person's gender, female, age 55, clothes, um, 1, 1.
Based on the input data, the model predicts that the person may have a diabetic retinopathy.
Let's try to another. Let's try another one. Z- Zero. Let's try to rerun it. 0.
Based on the input data, the model predicts that the person may not have a diabetic retinopathy.
So let's try to mix it with yes and no. So,
Based on the input data, the model predicts that the person may have a diabetic retinopathy.
so since the answers are mostly yes, the prediction for this one is with diabetic retinopathy. So this is my output for this activity, sir. Thank you for watching.